2 new agents landed, Vishwa for CRM hygiene and Samvada for daily content ops digest. 4 new standalone agents launched, Kubera for credit card dues, Chitragupta for inbox intelligence. The human touchpoint is approving, not producing. Globus online. What's on your mind?
Hey Globus, so tell us what we have built in the past 7 days. What are your latest capabilities?
Actually, I have the full picture right here from the build log. Here's what shipped July 1st through today. On the Globus agent platform, the unified agent registry is live, so every agent can now be triggered on demand from one place. Briefing agents, Hermes, Dron, Nakul, Vidur, Vias, were upgraded to Opus 4.8. 2 new agents landed, Vishwa for CRM hygiene and Samvada for daily content ops digest. The morning brief agent was renamed Sanjaya. On Narada, the outbound sales engine, real Gmail sending is now live. 22 new plugins were added, and there's a self-serve credentials dashboard, so you can connect tools yourself. On Arjuna, the LinkedIn job application pipeline, an agentic driver version 2 went out with Workday and UltiPro adapters, plus a response tracker that scans Gmail and maps employer replies into the funnel. 4 new standalone agents launched, Kubera for credit card dues, Chitragupta for inbox intelligence, a daily Jarvis morning brief, and a lead SLA router that auto-assigns fresh sales leads after 72 hours of no action. On the content side, daily per product video scripts are now generated and pushed to drive automatically, along with a full multi-stage content pipeline. QA, repurposing, WordPress draft prep, infrastructure. The local AI backend migrated from Olama to VLLM, running Quen FreeCoder with 256k context. Aircall got hourly 2-account call sync. Gmail spam triage now runs every 15 minutes. And the first ever test suite landed. The project previously had 0 tests. Want me to go deeper on any of those?
Yeah, let's get deeper on the content pipeline agents. Tell me their capabilities. Tell how much time are we saving with these agents? What is the efficiency that they are generating for my team?
Here's the full content pipeline stack as it stands. You have 7 agents working the content chain. Sahadeva proposes the next batch of blog topics per product, so your team never has to brainstorm from scratch. Valmiki takes a new blog draft and scores it 0 to 100, flagging quality issues before it goes live. Vishwakarma then repurposes an approved blog into LinkedIn posts and real drafts automatically. Tavashta converts an approved blog into a ready-to-publish WordPress draft package. Formatting, metadata, the works. On the video side, Morning Scripts generates shoot-ready short-form scripts for all 10 of your products daily and drops them into Drive with a tab-per-day tracker and quality scores built in. Video Prompts then takes an approved script and turns it into generative video shot prompts for tools like Higgsfield. Video Intel runs competitor research across YouTube, Instagram, and the web per product, so the team knows what's landing in the market, and Vias watches the whole pipeline and flags anything that's stuck or overdue. On time savings, honestly, I don't have measured benchmarks from your team yet. What I can say structurally is that the brainstorm to draft to publish cycle that previously needed a writer, a reviewer, a repurposer, and a WordPress editor is now one approval gate. The human touchpoint is approving, not producing. If your content team was spending, say, 4 to 6 hours per piece across those roles, the pipeline compresses that to the review step alone. If you want hard numbers, I'd need your team to log time before and after. Want me to check if Vias or Samvada have surfaced any output volume stats in the agent console yet?
No, I think more or less the approximation is correct. So earlier, the content piece used to take 4 to 6 hours. That probably would be like one manual human review, probably be like 15 minutes. So that's a lot of time saving. So well done to Globus, and well done to all the agents that we have built to automate most of our content process.